Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to talk to you about the Tusk rock lights. Now look, the main purpose that rock lights serve is just they add cool looks and customization to your UTV. And there's a lot of options out there, but I'm going to tell you this right now. Not all rock lights are created equal, and there are some features about these from Tusk that really just stand out and separate them from the rest. One being the build quality, nice high quality aluminum housing, the bracket that comes with these. It's made from rubber, so it helps absorb and dampen a lot of the vibrations. IP rated to 67, so it can be fully submerged. You can get it wet when you're cleaning it. You can get dirt on it. It's built to last. But really the big highlight of the Tusk rock lights is when you have these installed, and we did a great how-to video, shows you step-by-step how to install these on your vehicle, but it's the integration with the LED lighted whips from Tusk as well. Now you can buy the rock lights by themselves, but if you want the full shabam, you want all the coolest features, you gotta pair these up with the Tusk lighted whips, and we have kits available with either 1 or 2 lighted whips depending on what you wanna have. But what's cool is after you have these installed and you've got the lighted whips on there, there is a control box that will come included. And we show you how to install that in that video. That control box is gonna connect your phone via Wi-Fi. And in the instructions, there's a QR code. You scan that, there's an app that you download to your phone. Once you open up that app, you have basically limitless possibilities of what color schemes you wanna do with the rock lights that are also synced up to the lighted whips. So right now you can see it. We've got red, white, and blue on the lighted whips. Same color scheme that we have for the rock lights as well. You will have a remote. So if you just want quick, easy access to be able to change the mode, this remote will give you 9 different settings that you can have pre-programmed into it. But if you want to get all the different color combos, which I said are basically limitless, you just go into the app and it gives you full control over that. You can even have it voice synced. So if you're in your UTV and you're talking or listening to music, the lighted whips and the rock lights will actually strobe and go along with the music that you're playing inside your cab. So a lot of cool features there. You can control the light, how bright or how dim you want these to be. And again, it's just gonna add cool functionality, cool looks. Some other cool features too that we go over in that install is you can have these wired into your brake lights. So when you brake, your rock lights and your lighted whips are gonna go bright red, which is an added safety feature. You can also have it built into your reverse lights, so they go bright white when you're gonna go backwards. So just not only are you getting cool looks to your machine, but you're getting more versatility and functionality with those other features as well. So if you've been shopping for a set of these, I'm telling you right now, these are built awesome. And when you combine these with the lighted whips, it just gives you such cool features added to your UTV. Last thing I will say is that if you do already have the Tusk lighted whips and you're just buying the rock lights, the lighted whips need to be the 2019 and newer version. If you're not sure, you can call us here at Rocky Mountain. You can comment down below and we'll help get those questions answered. We ship for a few over 75 bucks. And as always, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like these, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.